Welcome. Thank you for answering this inner call. Thank you for choosing today to enter this sacred space and begin, or continue, a powerful journey of healing. What you are about to experience is not just a meditation. It is an act of love toward yourself and a gateway to the elevation of your soul. Each session, each breath, each image that may arise is guided and supported by Alexandra spiritual allies, the ascended masters who have led Alexandra through her own path toward illumination and who now lovingly watch over you. If you've already explored the teachings on the 5 soul wounds through the audio sessions and guides available on our website, then you already understand how these past experiences can remain deeply embedded in the subconscious, how certain patterns repeat, and how much freedom comes from finally releasing them. If you are new to this path, we invite you to take time to understand the nature of these wounds, because without conscious awareness, it is difficult to ascend in peace. We must first meet and embrace what weighs down our soul before we can truly rise. A guide is available to support you, offering clarity on the origins of these wounds and how they affect your emotional and energetic landscape. And from today onward, the releases will begin. Breathe deeply. Let your heart slow down. Let your body soften. There is nothing to do, only to receive. As you gently speak the names of your guides, they will come. They will stand with you and help draw out the heaviness, the memories, the shadows, the fragments of forgotten pain. Do not worry if emotions, visions, or sensations begin to arise. Everything that surfaces is ready to be freed. And know this: everyone who has received this meditation is now under the care of the Ascended Masters. They will remain by your side through each breath until peace returns. And now, we begin. I invite you to experience a meditation designed to help you release your past. Today, we will rise in consciousness together with Heracles, also known through time under other names such as Alexander First or Simon in the life of Jesus. We will revisit moments in your life where you felt abandoned, especially during childhood. If abandonment was experienced even more intensely at another time, we will gently dive into that memory to bring light and healing to it. This journey will allow your shadowed memories to rise and be seen. Heracles, your guide, will help transform and release them from your emotional body. Take a moment to settle into a quiet and safe space where you won't be disturbed. You may choose to sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently and begin to connect with your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Once more, inhale deeply and exhale softly, allowing each breath to relax your body a little more. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to relax, and your eyelids to grow heavy. Visualize a soft, comforting light beginning to glow above you. It slowly moves downward, like a gentle wave, warming and relaxing every part of your body. Feel this light on your forehead, your cheeks, your neck, melting away any remaining tension. Let the light continue downward, flowing over your shoulders, your arms, your hands, and all the way to your fingertips. A deep sense of calm begins to settle in. It moves further down, through your chest, your belly, your hips, and down through your legs to your feet. You are now fully enveloped in this peaceful, luminous energy. With each inhale, You feel lighter. With each exhale, you release what no longer serves you. Now that you are deeply relaxed, imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural place. This is the beginning of your inner journey. It could be a quiet tropical beach, a lush and ancient garden, or a boat drifting gently down a crystal-clear river. Wherever it is, allow yourself to feel safe, relaxed, and at peace there. As you connect to this special place, feel it deeply within every fiber of your being. Now imagine Heracles, your spiritual guide, standing beside you. He looks at you with kindness, ready to accompany you through this healing journey. Heracles is a wise and powerful guide, one who knows the path through emotion and memory. He says to you, "I am here to help you, to guide you. We will walk through this moment together, and you are safe with me." Take a deep breath and imagine the warmth of the sun shining gently. The sky is clear and blue, and the sunlight kisses your skin. Heracles speaks softly and guides you in the light. "Breathe deeply," he says. "The sunlight is soft, soothing. Let it calm every part of your being. Feel the light move through your body, from your shoulders to your arms, and down to your fingertips. You feel even more peaceful, even lighter." Heracles continues, "Let this light enter your muscles and your bones. It brings warmth and comfort." You keep breathing deeply as Heracles tells you. Let each breath bring you more relaxation, more peace. Let every part of your body surrender. With every breath, you move closer to a specific moment from your past, a moment of deep loneliness, perhaps when a parent was not there for you. Heracles gently says, "We are entering this space now. Witness this moment with compassion. Remember, you are not alone here." Now visualize the scene in your mind. Where are you? What is happening around you? Are you inside or outside? What emotions are you feeling? Observe without judgment. Allow the emotion to rise while you remain present in the moment. "I am here with you," says Heracles. Take your time. Observe each detail. Allow yourself to feel. Heracles guides you through this memory. He invites you to acknowledge the child, or adolescent you were in that moment. See yourself in this space. Feel what you were going through. You may have felt sadness, abandonment, even rejection. But know this moment is part of your story. It does not define who you are today. Take a moment now to observe what you're feeling. You might still feel sadness, anger, or disappointment, but understand, these emotions are not wrong, and they are not permanent. They are human, and now they can be transformed. The memories of this life passage are beginning to release from your astral body. Heracles says gently, "This moment, however painful, belongs to your past. These memories are now lifting from your subtle body, and I am removing them completely. This is the beginning of your healing, a step into peace." Look again at the scene around you. Is there a place nearby where you feel more safe? A spot where You can find a sense of refuge. Heracles walks with you to that place. "Come with me," he says. "I will lead you to a space where you feel supported and comforted. Imagine yourself in this safe place, surrounded by soft, warm light. Let this light embrace you. Here," says Heracles, "you will find peace, even in the most difficult moments." Slowly, you begin to understand that this inner child, this younger version of yourself, has always been strong, even in pain. Heracles reminds you, there is strength within you, even if you could not see it at the time. It has always been there, waiting to be revealed. Feel that strength growing inside you. Let the light spread into every cell of your body, healing each wound, dissolving each heavy thought. You are ready to make peace with this moment. Now take a deep breath, and as Heracles guides you, imagine you are able to speak to this parent from the past. This is a symbolic conversation, with no pressure. You are free to express what was never said. "Heracles is here with me, helping me find the right words," you say silently within. "And now, begin to speak. Share what you feel. Say what you've always wanted to say. Let your emotions rise, without judgment." Heracles listens and supports you. There is no right or wrong way to say it, he tells you. You have the right to feel. You have the right to speak. Feel the relief that comes from this expression, the release beginning within you. Now it's time to make peace with the past. Heracles brings you a new perspective. You are not defined by what happened. You are so much more than these events. You are a being in constant evolution. As you accept this, feel the weight of pain begin to lift, as though you are gently letting go of a burden. Let the healing light surround you and dissolve any sadness. Imagine this soft light blending with your emotions, transforming them into peace and clarity. "Healing is within you," says Heracles. "It is happening now, as you open yourself to peace." You begin to feel a new lightness, as if the past no longer holds power over you. You are able to look at it without the same pain. You have reclaimed your power. You have chosen healing. You've made space for a brighter future, Heracles says, and that future is in your hands. Take a moment now to fully relax. Let yourself rest in this inner peace. You are ready to move forward, no longer weighed down by the past. You have found your freedom. You are ready to take the next step with serenity. You now carry a renewed strength within you, one that belongs to no one else. Now imagine you're returning from this journey, but this time you feel light, peaceful, ready for whatever comes. Do you feel transformed, ready to welcome a future full of possibilities? Heracles speaks one last time. "I will always walk with you." And when difficult moments arise, or when you're ready to revisit all those life passages charged with deep emotion, we'll walk through them together, so that these shadowed memories can fully leave your being. This healing key allows you to reclaim your full potential, take your life into your hands, and feel the peace that is your birthright. Now, I will slowly count from 1 to 5. With each number, You'll return gently to the present moment, bringing with you this sense of calm and healing. 1. Take a deep breath in. 2. Begin to feel your body waking up gently. 3. Return slowly, your mind clear and light. 4. Your eyes are ready to open whenever you're ready. 5. Open your eyes, fully present, carrying peace and serenity with you. With Heracles, we thank you for honoring yourself with this moment. May you continue your healing journey, guided by the light, releasing all that dims your soul, so you may rise in your full power and feel the deep peace that lives within you.